The Psychology of Money. Chapter 6 Summary, Tails You Win. Author Morgan Housel. Key central idea of Chapter 6. Chapter 6 explains a very important but often misunderstood concept. A small number of events usually account for the majority of financial success, while many other efforts may fail or show average results. In money, business, investing, and life, outcomes are not evenly distributed. Brain, what does tails you win mean? In statistics, tails refers to rare extreme outcomes. Most results are average. A few results are extraordinary. Morgan Housel says, you can fail or perform average many times, but a few big wins can outweigh everything else. Success is not linear. People often assume effort equals equal reward. Skill equals consistent success. But in reality, a few lucky breaks matter a lot. One big success can define a career. Many failures are normal. This applies to investing, entrepreneurship, careers, creative fields. Bust in silhouette investing example, stock market returns. The author explains that most stocks perform average or poorly. A small percentage of stocks create most market wealth. If you miss those few winners, returns fall drastically. This means being invested and patient is more important than being perfect. Clapperboard real-life example, Walt Disney. Morgan Housel gives examples like Walt Disney. Many early failures, bankruptcies, rejected ideas, but a few successes. Mickey Mouse, Disneyland. These few wins outweighed all failures, created massive long-term success. Warning: why people quit too early. Because most attempts fail at first. Progress looks slow. Losses feel painful. People assume, I'm bad at this. This doesn't work. But Chapter 6 teaches, failure is a normal cost of success. Jigsaw: the power of asymmetric outcomes. Asymmetric outcomes mean limited downside, massive upside. Examples: investing in diversified stocks, starting side projects, learning new skills. You can lose small amounts many times, but one success can change everything. How this changes your thinking. 1. Expect many losses. Losses are not proof of incompetence. They are part of the process. 2. Don't judge too quickly. Results take time. Big wins come unexpectedly. 3. Stay in the game. Quitting guarantees failure. Survival increases chances of success. Brain emotional strength matters. The chapter highlights patience, emotional control, long-term thinking. You must tolerate boredom, doubt, short-term losses to reach rare big successes. Chart decreasing: why diversification is powerful. Since you don't know which stock, which idea, which effort will succeed, diversification increases chances of catching big winners, reduces risk of ruin. Hammer: how to apply Chapter 6 in real life. 1. Don't fear failure. Failure is data, not defeat. 2. Keep trying. Multiple attempts increase odds of success. 3. Avoid all-or-nothing bets. Protect yourself from permanent loss. 4. Be patient. Rare events need time to appear. Memo: key lessons from Chapter 6. Most success comes from a few big wins. Many failures are normal and expected. Outcomes are not evenly distributed. Staying invested matters more than timing. Asymmetric opportunities create wealth. Seedling 1 paragraph chapter summary. Chapter 6 of The Psychology of Money, titled Tails You Win, explains that financial success is driven by a small number of extraordinary outcomes rather than consistent average results. In investing, business, and life, many efforts may fail or produce modest returns, but a few rare successes can outweigh everything else. The chapter encourages patience, diversification, and emotional resilience, emphasizing that failure is a normal cost of achieving long-term success. By staying in the game and avoiding ruin, individuals increase their chances of benefiting from these rare but powerful winning moments.